Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is for you. I hope you're doing well. This morning, speaking of doing well, there is a sense of wellness that comes with being still, consciously still. We don't always have to wait till we go to sleep to feel well, to feel okay, to feel calm, to feel relaxed. Meditation, especially daily practice of meditation, it truly is a game changer. So give yourself an opportunity now to just stop for a moment and take things in. Have a seat. This is just about some conscious relaxation and conscious wellness in body, mind, heart, and overall being. So just have a seat. Sit comfortable with your back relatively straight, if not all the way straight. Lift your chest up, bring your chin up. Really stretch your spine up and then relax. Whether you're sitting on a chair, cushion, however. In this space, just close your eyes and simply be here. Just close your eyes. You're here. And in this moment, you're okay. Even if there are many things that may point to the idea that you're not okay, in this moment right now, the fact that you're taking time to be still, that's a thing. It's good. So take a nice inhale through your nose. Exhale. Visualize a few moments of wellness. And we're starting with the body. No matter how the sensations are in your body right now, take a nice inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Your attention is at the point between the eyebrows. Raise your brow a couple of times to make sure you're not knitting your brows or scrunching up your face in any kind of way. You're simply allowing your attention to rest at that point between the eyebrows. As you inhale through the nose, feel your lungs expand, and then exhale through your mouth. And simply relax there. Your body is simply doing what your body does. As you become aware of different sensations physically in your body, simply observe them, be aware from this still place, your feet, your legs, your hips, your belly, your back, chest, middle of your back. Inhale, exhale your shoulders. Maybe rotate your shoulders up and back and down a few times. And then rotate your shoulders up and forward and down and around a few times. Extend your arms. Twist them one way, the other way. One way, the other way. And bring your hands back together and just rest them gently. Keeping your attention at the point between the eyebrows. Inhale again. And exhale. Rest in this space. Thoughts come, thoughts go. There's a calmness in observing as thoughts come, thoughts go. Keeping your attention at that point between the eyebrows, inhale. And exhale. Relax your neck, your jaw, your face. The top of your head and your ears. Relax. Everything is soft and easy. Inhale. And exhale. In your heart. You can even place your hands on your heart. Rest there for a moment. Whatever sensations are coming up, simply allow them to be there with full awareness of your heart. Actually feel the beat of your heart. That actual throbbing motion, that reminder of the body simply doing what it does. Take a nice inhale. Exhale. Relax your hands back wherever they fall, nice and easy. Attention still at the point between the eyebrows. Resting there. Another good inhale through the nose. Exhale through your mouth. And rest in this space. Wellness. Thinking of wellness, what that means to you in this moment, to be well. You are wellness. Having wellness and wellness. You naturally give wellness. You radiate wellness. As we take a nice inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Our affirmation today is, I am wellness. I have wellness. I give wellness. Just keep repeating, I am wellness. I have wellness. I give wellness. Wellness. How you see wellness in your body, mind, heart, and spirit. Keep chanting over and over, repeating, I am wellness. I have wellness. I give wellness. Keep repeating out loud and into a whisper and softer and softer into silence. As those thoughts go through your mind in silence, they go deeper into every fiber of your being, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. I am wellness. I have wellness. I give wellness. Just rest in this space.